Mongolia, a Shining World Leadership Award for Compassion recipient, delivers primary healthcare services to disadvantaged and remote communities via mobile clinics. In operation since 2016, the mHealth government project is working towards achieving universal health coverage in Mongolia. This program encompasses health promotion, interventions, and early diagnosis and timely treatment of diseases for nomadic and migrant populations. The World Health Organization and other stakeholders that are part of the Universal Health Coverage Partnership are assisting Mongolia in leveraging mobile health technologies for the nation's primary health care approach to better wellness. Home visits and mobile clinics help those in rural and other medically underserved areas get health care. Thank you, World Health Organization and the Universal Health Coverage Partnership for working to improve public health in Mongolia. Well done, Mongolia, for your brilliant way of bringing health services to your fine people. May your caring citizens, including those in vulnerable communities, enjoy the very best of wellness in Buddha's infinite love.
Research shows link between bats, global warming, and coronaviruses. A study by scientists from the University of Cambridge, United Kingdom, and the University of Hawaii, USA, assesses that climate change may have been an important factor in the transmission of the SARS-CoV-1 and SARS-CoV-2 viruses from animals to humans, which respectively resulted in the deadly SARS and COVID-19 pandemics. Significantly, the analysis estimated that over the last century, global warming led to 40 bat species relocating to China's Yunnan province and parts of Myanmar and Laos, while carrying approximately 100 coronavirus strains and are the likely source of the SARS and COVID-19 viruses. The authors urge for decisive climate change mitigation to reduce the risk of such zoonotic spillovers. Our genuine thanks, University of Cambridge and University of Hawaii scientists, for these eye-opening findings. In divine wisdom, may humanity urgently transition to a vegan world, the most effective panacea for addressing both zoonotic pandemics and global warming.
Australian researchers measure the importance of sea cucumbers to coral reefs. A team of researchers from James Cook, Macquarie, and Newcastle universities, all in Australia, were able to quantify how much sea cucumbers help protect the ocean and coral reefs from acidification and climate change. By using drone and satellite technology, the scientists were able to estimate that 3 million sea cucumbers live on the country's Heron Island reef, producing the equivalent of 5 Eiffel Towers in weight worth of reef fertilizer each year. The sea cucumber's byproduct releases nitrogen, which assists corals and algae to grow, and increase calcium in the water, which helps to alkalize the acidic ocean. Also, their activities aerate the sediment, creating a healthy environment for fellow animals. Thank you, Australian researchers, for telling us about the wonderful, humble sea cucumber. In heaven's grace, may every animal be cherished for their vital place on the planet.
Quarantine awakens a love for vegetables in people. A recent survey in the United States by market research company OnePoll has discovered that 75% of respondents refer to themselves as recently reformed veggie lovers, with 39% attributing their newfound love to their time in quarantine. Almost 1 in 5 people stated that they only just recently tried broccoli for the first time, which has now become a top favorite, along with spinach, asparagus, avocados, and cauliflower. Thank you, OnePoll, for the interesting survey, and way to go, the American people, for your healthy shift towards plant-based foods. In celestial support, may wholesome veggies soon become a staple in all meals as humanity changes to the compassionate lifestyle.
Rescuers save Buddhist monk from flooded cave in Thailand. Respected Phra Ajahn Manas, aged 46, was on an annual pilgrimage to the Phra Sa Nagam cave to meditate when an unseasonable storm affected the region. Residents knew of his location, so they alerted the authorities, who sent a team of 17 professional divers. However, due to the rising water, it was not possible to bring him out immediately. The Reverend spent 4 days in the cave without any food or contact by phone before he was reached and fitted with a diving mask to make the required 12-meter swim underwater to safety. He then received medical treatment in an ambulance and appeared to be well despite the ordeal. Our gratitude, expert rescuers, for your perseverance in a tough situation. May the Buddha continue to bless respected Manas as this remarkable story encourages us to emulate his life of faith.
Popular UK plant-based brand launches in the Middle East. Vegan entrepreneur and TV personality Heather Mills' company V-Bites has partnered with the supermarket chain Spinneys to debut V-Bites products in 90 stores across Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Out of more than 140 V-Bites items already sold in 24 countries, 9 will be for sale, including the very popular Mega Burger, as well as vegan mince, vegan chicken, and vegan fish products. Miss Mills' V-Bites factory in Corby, England, has also been creating delectable meat-free items and vegan cheeses for mainstream restaurant chains. Bravo, Heather Mills, and congratulations on V-Bites' expansion. May the peaceful vegan world of our shared dreams soon become a reality in the blessings of the Providence.
Dog gets help for caregiver in time of medical emergency. Hallie Moore was taking a walk with her dog companion Clover in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, when she suddenly had a seizure and fell to the curb. A neighbor's security camera witnessed Clover responding immediately by checking on her caregiver and staying by her side. As a truck approached, Clover then freed her leash from Hallie's grasp and went into the middle of the road to block the truck's path. The driver got out of the vehicle to help, while Clover eventually caught the attention of a second neighbor who also stopped to render aid. At this point, the devoted canine even rushed back home in order to call the family to the scene. Fortunately, when they arrived, Hallie was already being treated by paramedics. God bless you, loving Clover, for your smart and incredible life-saving actions. Wishing you and your human family peace and good health in divine radiance. Supreme Master Ching Hai gladly present the Shining World Hero Award to Clover plus $2,000 for vegan treats with lots of love, hugs, and happy cheers. May you and your caregiver be protected by heavens always.